And this is the 10th problem. Let us solve, the smallest whole and natural number are respectively, right? So, you know that by the definition, right, the natural numbers, right, the natural numbers are part of the numbers system that contains all positive integers starting from the number 1 to infinity, right? So, the natural numbers, right, the natural numbers are all positive numbers, right? This is positive numbers, which, right, which starts from 1 to infinity. So which means, so n is equal to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, right, till infinity, right? Whereas whole number includes, right, includes all positive number, right, all positive number starting from 0 to infinity. So that is going to be, whole number is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on to infinity. So what the question is, the smallest whole number. The smallest whole number is 0 and smallest natural number is going to be 1. So therefore the option here is the 0 and 1. So this is what the answer. Option B is the